Welcome to Raghava's Art. Today we'll see how to paint a koi fish using watercolor. First I'm applying cadmium yellow mixed with little bit of lemon yellow. I'm also using yellow ochre to give the second tone. I'm spreading the cadmium yellow. I'm giving a little darker tone using chrome yellow and little bit of scarlet red. For the fish scales, I'm applying chrome yellow and scarlet red. The tail portion also I'm applying yellow ochre. I've just diluted the yellow ochre. Gradually I'm painting the scales yellow ochre, as I told earlier, yellow ochre plus scarlet red. Wherever the colors are fresh, I'm applying direct scarlet red. I'm drawing the fish scales. As I have given diluted yellow ochre and cadmium yellow first tone, over that I'm applying yellow ochre and scarlet red. Wherever the scales are there, just highlighting. Here the fish tone is darker, so I'm giving direct scarlet red. The curves, edges, I'm making it a little darker. Since the light falls on the fish, we are able to see the fresh colors. After giving third tone to the scales, I've just moved to the head portion, just giving diluted cadmium yellow, and gradually I'm drawing the fins and the tail portions. Here I'm using grey, a little bit of ochre. Here I'm using direct grey. Giving second tone to the tails and the fin portions. Here I'm applying direct grey. The tail portion I've used scarlet red and burnt sienna. Again in the tail portion I'm applying grey mixed with little bit of ochre. I'm showing depth using grey in the fin portion and the body portion. Already I've applied diluted grey. Now I'm making it little darker to suggest the volume. The fish scales I'm giving the dark tone, that is burnt sienna, and here and there I'm just applying the grey tone. Here I am applying grey. It's a direct fresh grey. Without mixing with ochre, I am applying it directly. For lighting, I am just leaving the paper white. I am not using white in watercolor. For the eye, I am using grey. Just leaving little bit of paper white and applying grey. Here I am giving second grey tone, just for the understanding of the white. And when we see the fish underwater, there is a kind of transparency. We need to see the texture. And here and there I am just giving little bit of grey, and for the lighting, yellow ochre. And the fins also I am just highlighting with grey and the dark grey. Giving final depth to the fish, the third grey tone, and here little bit of burnt cinnamon. And the background I'm giving direct black, just patches of black. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, share and leave your comments. Thank you for watching the video.